Okay, quick run through of my analysis on dollar index, USDJPY, GBPUSD and EURUSD. So from here, let me check. I think I started from the 3 months time frame. So what did I get from 3 months time frame is price reacting from this monthly fair value gap. Last week it was my draw on liquidity and higher time frame key level. But this week I'm just indicating it out as a higher time frame key level. So last week we touched this level, and on the weekly we touched it and we closed bearish last week, indicating weakness from this key level. So basically moving, we have sweep of last week high here, close below. So this is a sell side target, then previous week low, sell side target. Then as a area of interest for selling buyers, this is the fair value gap, and price is currently within this uh, daily candle range, if I can call it that. Or on 4 hour, I marked these levels on 4 hour time frame, so it's basically using ranging concepts to look at it. Swing high, swing low, very good. So this is what I have, and this is that weekly draw on liquidity. So we still have a long way to go if we are bearish on dollar. Now moving on to USDJPY. USDJPY is kind of more tricky right now. So from the monthly time frame, we have this fair value gap here, one. We have this other block candle here, two. Then we have this inverse fair value gap. These are the levels I'm looking at on the monthly time frame. Then on the weekly time frame, we just have price sweeping the high of the upper week candle, then closing bearish. So that's what I indicated out here. And on the daily time frame, we have here, which is possible draw on liquidity here, previous week high as possible draw on liquidity. Then we have, I just drew this out as draw on liquidity to which is about to be hit, and previous week low right here. So it depends on this week's price action, how it unfolds, then I react towards it. So from correlation, uh, dollar index for now is bearish, so I assume this will follow through later in the week, or anticipate anyone. So for EURUSD is basically the mirror image of dollar index. Let me start from weekly. On weekly time frame, this low here have been taken on dollar, it has been taken on GBPUSD. So SMT with dollar index and GBPUSD. Now previous week low swept here, buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity, all of these points, even this buy side liquidity. So let me check monthly. So back to, let's go to daily. So assuming this is, if we are looking at the reversal right now, this is point of interest to consider, and this low should be somewhat protected, or if price trades to it, it should be just a sweep of liquidity. So just a sweep of liquidity, trade through it, and have a change state of delivery around here if price is going to come all the way to this point. So what else? GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is really solid price action looks solid. So from the monthly time frame or even 3 months time frame, we have this fair value gap. 3 months time frame very bullish. We have this other block, 3 months other block, this meaning fair value gap here on 3 months. Then we have what higher time frame draw liquidity right there. So the same fair value gap here on monthly time frame, monthly. So we have equal lows that was swept and price closed inside what inside the range, if I can call it that. So range low, range high, price takes sell side liquidity, deliver it at buy side liquidity. Now if price is going to deliver from sell side liquidity to buy side liquidity, all these are just liquidity inside the larger range. So target is still bullish. Target is still bullish for now. If there's other price action, if there's other forms of price action, my duty is to adjust, not to be right. So this is just it. This is another block from my perspective. This is another block. This candle here is another block. Fair value gap or inverse fair value gap. So this is just it. This is my bias for this week and beyond.